Hello everyone, Yogi Sonu is here. Okay, in this video we're gonna learn how to save your wrist during your yoga practice, because many people, whenever we practice, we don't know about the hands alignment and we always do some little bit mistakes because of the lack of awareness, and we can protect our wrist by our awareness. So something we should do and something we should not do while we are practicing asana.
So here is the video for you.
So I hope you will enjoy this video now, because the knowledge is very important. Okay, whenever we are practicing, this is very important. As you can see in the screen, our hands is just like this. We try to put our thumb is opposite direction, or we just try to not put the proper palm on the floor. We just try to keep only the thumb like this. So in any posture, whenever you put your thumb is just like this. If you are not working, you're comfortable. So you must be palm on the floor, like this, or fingertips. This is the two techniques. So first technique is keep the proper palm on the floor and fingers will be separate, and activate the fingertips on the floor. So it will can help you to reduce the body weight, not go to the wrist, it will go to the each fingers and the proper palm. But in case if you are doing your fingers just like this, not your palm on the floor, it will help you nothing. It will give you a little comfortable feeling, but whenever you are not working with your proper hand alignment, your wrist might feel hurting. So it is like a very basic awareness technique. Whenever you do, okay, remember proper palm on the floor or fingertips on the floor. Any one option is better for everyone to protect the wrist. It is very important. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. If you are really interested in the yoga foundation, please feel free to follow my channel and give me the comment, because your every comment I read and I feel very happy, and I feel very appreciate for my work, and I very appreciate that you get the knowledge too. So if you love this video, please feel free to share this video with your friends. I will be more happy to see your good karma. Okay, so see you soon in my next video. Have a good day, and in case if you want to learn something, just let me know by comment.